Hey guys, welcome back to my vlogs. I'm Lexi Nardoni. If you're new here and couldn't tell by obviously everywhere that says Lexi Nardoni, but yeah, today is another California vlog, which means I'm going to the beach again. If you guys don't know, every time it gets hot here in California, I'm at the beach, and it is March, which means there's gonna be a lot more beach days. So yeah, today I'm taking the boys and my best friend Charlize is coming with me to the beach, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Don't mind my straps. Are you ready to go beach? Charlize is here. Such a good boy. This is so cute. Little setup. We made it to the beach and now we're hanging out. And the boys have their own shade over here. Gatsby's being a wacko. Off my mind and your body. You know, got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. I look crazy. We're done at the beach and now we're gonna go get a snack. In and out. It's time for day 2 at the beach with my boys. We're back at the same beach per usual. I swear to God, guys, if you subscribe and keep watching my videos, this summer I'll be going to different beaches in California and I'll show you the different beaches. This is just the only dog beach that I just love so much. So let's get going, boys. Get it. Wow. Wow. We walked all the way down, and now we're gonna walk back, and I'm just gonna throw the frisbee for them. Maybe I got a little tan. But yeah, just kind of like a quick, like going to the beach, and I'll actually take you guys, I'm gonna take them to the park as well, and then put them in the pool, kind of get the sand off. So we'll get to see that too today. Get in, Rasta. Rasta, go in. Okay, Harley, get in. Harley, get in. Get in. Time to head over to the dog park. Park time! Okay guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the fun vlogs that I show you guys of my California life. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye girlies.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.